Hey guys, welcome to our second course, Introduction to Linux System Administration. My name is Kevin Nouns. I'm hoping some of you followed me over here from our first course, Intro to Linux OS. If not, a little bit about myself. I'm a Red Hat Certified System Administrator, or RHCSA. At my current job, I'm in charge of administering hundreds of servers running on different Linux distributions, and I work as a UNIX system administrator, supporting several large enterprise-level clients with IBM across multiple environments. Now, I'm pretty good at understanding Linux programming so that I can manage both personal and server Linux systems, and I'm currently pursuing my RHCE, or Red Hat Certified System Engineer, and DevOps. So if you are taking this course, guys, it is highly recommended that you take our course, Introduction to Linux OS. If you haven't taken that yet, please click on the link and follow it to that course. In that course, we're going to be talking about a lot of the things that we're just going to be taking as assumed knowledge for this course. So please take that course before you take this one. Alright, so this first session is going to be Linux System Administration. And it's going to be an overview of the sysadmin role. In it, we're going to go over Unix, Linux, and open source, duties of the sysadmin, superuser and the root login, sharing superuser privileges with others via su and sudo commands. And we're also going to go over TCP/IP networking fundamentals. So let's go and talk about Unix. The Unix brand has traditionally been applied to the family of multitasking, multi-user computer operating systems that derive from the original AT&T Unix operating system. It was developed in the 1970s at the Bell Labs Research Center by Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, and others. Linux, on the other hand, is a name which broadly denotes a family of free and open source software operating system distributions built around the Linux kernel. And guys, Linux is what's going to be much more commonly used these days. You're not going to see too often any more systems running on Unix. Now most things are going to be run on Linux. So open source software is computer software with its source code made available with a license in which the copyright holder provides the rights to study, change, and distribute the software to anyone and for any purpose. So guys, this is different from Microsoft. Microsoft, in order to use Windows or any of their Microsoft servers, you actually have to pay to get a license from them to use it, okay? Linux is open source here, meaning you can just grab it, download it, and start using it, okay? That doesn't mean there aren't any Linux systems out there that are paid to use. For example, Red Hat is a paid subscription to use. It's actually pretty commonly paid for. That's because there's a ton of support for it from the Red Hat company itself. So the duties of the sysadmin include, but are not limited to, user administration, such as setup and maintaining accounts and creating users, maintaining the system, verify the peripherals are working correctly. And peripherals can be printers, CD-ROM, tape drives, etc. Quickly arrange repair for hardware in occasion of hardware failure, monitor system performance, create file systems, install software, create a backup and recovery policy, monitor network communication, and update systems as soon as a new version of OS application software comes out through patching. We also do implement the policies for the use of the computer system and network. We set up security policies for users. A sysadmin must have a strong grasp of computer security, for example, firewalls and intrusion detection systems. And documentation in form of an internal wiki is very important as a sysadmin. You want to be able to reproduce things that you do and hand it off to your other workers. And then password and identity management.